Hi everyone, welcome to Peldarg Academy, where we explore technology, coding, and AI in ways that make learning fun and impactful. My name is Nofiu Moruf Pelumi, and I'm passionate about teaching the skills of tomorrow. Today, we are diving we are diving into an exciting topic: artificial intelligence. By the end of this session, you will not only know what AI is, but also why it matters to you. What is AI? This question has been asked by several people and it has been noticed that so many people up to now doesn't know what AI is all about. So I'm going to be explaining the concept of AI in a simpler form and a simpler time. Artificial intelligence is a field of computer science where machines are trained to think, learn, and solve problems, almost like human. Think about it like this. Have you ever used Siri, Alexa, or Google Assistant? That is AI. When Netflix recommends, Google Maps suggests the best route for you to pass whenever you are traveling, that is AI working behind the scene. AI is all about making our life easier by automating repetitive tasks. A task you might want to do, let's say you are meant to do the task 7 times in a day. You can actually use Python programming language to write a code that is going to repeat in any number of times you want to do it. And with the knowledge of AI that we have now, you don't even need to write a code. There are ways you can do it. You just drag and drop, and you'll be able to achieve your stated goal. So AI is all about making our life easier by automating repetitive tasks, making smart predictions for us, and even enabling creativity through tools like ChatGPT. So ChatGPT is something almost everyone is using now. If you don't know what ChatGPT is all about, ChatGPT is a model that interacts with individuals as if you are talking to your fellow being or your superior who knows more than you. Because there is almost no question you can ask ChatGPT that ChatGPT won't provide very a very close or accurate answer to it. So you will want to ask me why AI matters. Uh, why should you care about artificial intelligence? Because let's say because no, you don't have to be inside tech before you care about artificial intelligence. AI is not just for tech experts; it is for everyone. For example, as a student, you can use AI to improve your study habits. As a business owner, you can use AI to analyze data and make better decisions. AI is everywhere, and if you are not using it, you are already falling behind. That's just the bitter truth. So imagine a future where you can automate boring tasks. A task you want to do, you are supposed to complete in 3 weeks. You complete it in just 3 minutes. Can you just look at that kind of robust task that AI has helped you to eliminate? So, uh, just for us to be ahead of our game, it's always good for us to have the knowledge of artificial intelligence. So, let's look at AI in our daily life. Let me give you some quick examples of how you are already interacting with AI. Do you know how Spotify create a playlist for you? That is AI analyzing your music taste for you. Or when Instagram suggests people you may know, that is AI predicting your connections. So you are already using AI unknowingly. So AI isn't science fiction anymore. It is in our pockets, homes, and workplaces. So in future videos, I will show you how to use AI to save time, write better code, and even kickstart your own tech project. So stay tuned. AI is seen in different field. We have AI in education, which has helped us to transform our classroom. teacher to achieve their stated objective in less amount of time. We have AI in business to help businesses to become more productive, and also we have AI in healthcare. So healthcare professionals also use AI in improving diagnosis, treatment, and overall patient care. So not to take too much of our time, thank you so much for watching. If you found this interesting, make sure you search for Peldarg Academy on all social media, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and most especially go to our YouTube channel. Subscribe so that you can get more updates about technological trend and technological news, and how technology can help you in your field, regardless of any field you are. So I will say you can also check out our website, peldargacademy.tech, where you can see different courses that are suitable for you in order for you to join this tech journey. It is a kind of platform whereby you get mentorship. You are not just learning, you are doing real life tasks, and we will give you real life projects in which you'll be able to have confidence in your skill. So let's learn go together. Nice meeting you all. Thank you so much.